Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to sign out YouTube account from other devices. If you're using the mobile app, it'll take a few extra steps. You can also log out your account remotely from a web browser. Here's how to log out of YouTube on your Android. Tap your profile picture. This is in the bottom right corner of the app. It's not possible to sign out of YouTube on your Android without removing the entire account from your phone or tablet. This also signs you out from all apps that share your account, including Google Maps, Gmail, and your Android, if you're signed in with this account. If you just want to view videos anonymously, tap your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen, then tap Turn on your account. If you decide you want to proceed with removing this account and its data from your Android, continue with this method. Scroll down and tap Switch Account. It's toward the bottom of the menu, and a list of your accounts will appear. Tap Manage Accounts or Sign Out. The option you see may vary depending on your version, settings, and number of accounts. Tap the account you want to remove, and you may have to tap Google before you see your account name. Then tap Remove Account. If you don't see this option, tap right in the top right corner and then select Remove Account. A confirmation message will appear, letting you know that all data associated with this account will be removed from your Android. And last, tap Remove Account to confirm. You will now be signed out of your YouTube account and other associated apps on this Android. And that's all. Unfortunately, there's no way to sign out of YouTube without removing the account in question from your device. Doing this will also sign you out of all other Google apps on the same device. To browse YouTube privately without logging out, you'll need to go into incognito mode. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.